Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will create this twisting ring in AutoCAD. I'm using AutoCAD 2024, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to AutoCAD. Let's go to here, New. Select this template ACAD and select Open. First of all, I will put off these grids. Then I will select here. I will make this twisted ring in 3D. And I don't want this UCS icon here. So right click, go to here, UCS icon setting and select this one, show UCS icon at origin. So basically it will be moved from here to here, as you can see. For making a sweep, you need two things. First is the path and second is the profile. First we will create a profile, then we will create path, and then we will use the sweep command. So let's make the profile first. Let's select line tool. I will make one line having dimension 2 units. You can see I cannot make straight lines, so I will put on this one ortho so that I can make straight lines. I need a line having dimension 2 units. I will zoom in. Now I will make two circles having dimension 0.5. So let's go to your circle, center with radius. I will snap its endpoint and I will make one circle having dimension 0.5. Similarly, another circle, snap its endpoint and I will make another circle having dimension 0.5. Now I will use line command. I will close this. Basically, I need to make a slot, another line, and I will join it to here. I don't want this line, so I will delete it. Similarly, I don't want this and this, the inside part of the circle. So I will go to here, trim command. So I will trim this one and I will trim this one. If you cannot find this option in your earlier versions, so make sure to select all the object, press enter key and then trim. So this will work. In 2024, you can trim it directly. Next is we will create the path. So I will create another circle, center with radius. This time its radius would be 5 units. I will move this circle, let's say up to here. Okay. Now I will go to here, this drop down, and here you can see different 3D commands like extrude, loft, revolve and sweep. So I will use sweep. It is asking select objects to sweep. So I will select this one. This is the profile. Press enter key. And now I will select this option, twist. It is asking the value. So I will write 1800 and select sweep path. So this is the sweep path. It is currently showing in the wireframe. So I can change its visual style from here. And you can change your visual style from here as well. So let's say I will change it to this one, realistic, or maybe you can change it to shaded or shades of gray, etc. But I think this one looks more appealing. I will delete its profile. And you can see your 3D object. I can rotate it. And this looks fascinating. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.